Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll to the ringtone section, and as you can see here we've got two different options which are connected with the ringtone for the incoming calls. It is divided between two different SIM cards, which simply means that you can set different ringtone for the first one and different for another. So let me show you how to do it using the first SIM. It doesn't really matter right now. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to this list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top, we've got the option None, which simply means that your device will not use the ringtone or basically any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And at the bottom, we've got Add Ringtones, so after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. And if you have any compatible, they will appear right here or in any other folder, and you will be able to tap on them and set them as a ringtone. But let me go back to the pre-installed ones, and basically all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it. Let me volume it down a little bit. And basically, if you will decide that you want to set this ringtone, so in my case this airship, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.